Okay, my rider buddies, hope everyone's doing fine. Oh, super exposure. Okay, it is piping hot, but I'm still stepping out because finally studio work जो pending था, yes, all this अब होने वाला है start. Sid got a bit of time in hand, so आज हम जा रहे हैं LED shopping. काफ़ी R&D चल रही है, if you notice very carefully. Trying to create a very good shooting spot for podcast and everything. So अभी you'll see all that happening soon. I'll take my helmet. फिलहाल मैंने ये सारे अरेंजमेंट किए हैं, सो ऑल द थिंग्स आर एक्चुअली इन द बॉक्स विच आई हैव प्लान टू रीलोकेट. ये जो बिल्ली है वो मुझसे बहुत नाराज है. यस, ये है, शी इज़ द नोटोरियस कैट. ऑब्वियस रीजंस आई एम नॉट मोटर ब्लॉगिंग बिकॉज इट्स द सेम रूट एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग LED शॉपिंग. पेट्रोल भी कम है. Secret project happening, which will be revealed soon. I am at the garage soon. By the way, आज हमारा काम पूरा हो पाएगा कि नहीं?
ट्राई तो करेंगे. आज अरमान तो है,
लग नहीं रहा है.
अरमान है, बाकी देखते हैं बाद में.
अब कंटिन्यू होने वाला है फॉर श्योर. नेक्स्ट डे पे शायद आई कैन 100% कंफर्म दैट आज ये काम नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये जो बंदा है सिद्ध, ठीक है. व्हाट द हेल, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
चैटिंग विद द वाइफ.
और हाँ, एंड ये अपना सब वायरिंग ये सब कब करेंगे?
तू कर रहा है ना,
ये देखा. ये बंदे का ये प्लान होता है. ये क्या होता है, आफ्टर 4 o'clock ना सिद्ध गेट्स ऑल इन अ कोजी मोड. और आज उसने थोड़ा छुट्टी भी मारा है, लाइक चल यार जल्दी सोते हैं. एंड मुझे पूरी फीलिंग है कि आज का ब्लॉग कंटिन्यू होकर कल ज्वाइन होगा. सो प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी फॉर दैट. एंड लकीली मैं कॉफ़ी लाया हूँ. यू कैन सी ऑल द गियर लाइंग हियर बिकॉज मैं क्लियर अप कर रहा हूँ इसके लिए. रीजन आई हैव रिमूव दी शेल्स, यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो. जैकेट्स विल बी कमिंग हियर. एंड हेक्सोब्लेड लाया ना? कहाँ पे है? चल काटते हैं पाइप. दिस इज द पाइप विच विल होल्ड ऑल दीज जैकेट्स एंड मैनी मोर. ओह, पूरा यूनिट लाया हेक्सोब्लेड के साथ. शाबाश चीते. चल. Okay, so Sid is finally in the studio. How you doing, buddy? There's lots happening on this side also, and please avoid that noise. यहाँ पे construction work चलता रहता है. Sound proofing का क्या सीन है?
साउंड प्रूफिंग
तो आया क्या बाहर से?
भाई शांति, भाई शांत. गदाधारी भीम शांत.
ये देखो LED लाइटिंग के लिए हम लोग कितना मेहनत कर रहे हैं. ये हर एक के बीच में से बाईपास करने की सोच रहा है. मैं इसको थोड़ा बेटर आइडिया देता हूँ. ये क्या है, पट्टी लगाते हैं, कुछ पीछे से घुमाते हैं.
कौन सा पट्टी?
यहाँ से दिखाई देगा रेड ब्लू ग्रीन. सो फॉर टॉप रैक वी हैव अ सोल्यूशन. यू सी दोज नाइस स्पॉट एरियाज. वी विल चेंज दोज बल्ब. कंप्यूटर के नीचे लगा हुआ है, लैपटॉप के नीचे. हाँ, एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड है. Yeah, so you guys can understand what's happening right now in the house, and that's why we shut the fan because we have to take a shot, and then we put the fan on. So understand and do support my channel क्योंकि इसमें काफ़ी मेहनत लग रही है. Basically, these are headlight screws of my motorcycle. Pass this through this. Pass it through this. You can see that easily went in. Just pass it through. Here you go. Right, now let's hang jackets and show you guys. So I've got 2 jackets here. Yes. Very easily. You can see that. And it even swings around, which is what I wanted. What's this in?
Yep, I think it will look.
How's the setup? Such a quick thing. Pipe काटा, 2 screw डाला, खत्म. ऐसे रखूंगा तो I can put 10-15 jackets. So that's the big advantage that I want to line up my entire jacket here. वैसे ही आई डोंट नो, आई लॉस्ट काउंट ऑफ माई जैकेट्स. अंदर और पड़े हैं जैकेट्स, हेलमेट्स, बूट्स. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कैमराज डाउन, बट हमने कुछ और जुगाड़ सोचा है विच वी विल डू दैट. हमारे बीविंग में 3 केसेस आ गए कोविड के. एंड लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे ट्रैवल का क्या प्लान है. हमारे पास लाइटर नहीं है. आई गेस पीपल नो अबाउट दिस इफ दे हैव नॉट सीन माई साइड इंडिकेटर वीडियोज. हीट श्रिंक इज वॉट वी यूज इवन आफ्टर सोल्डरिंग. सो कोई शॉर्ट नहीं हो जाए, शॉर्ट सीन शॉर्ट नहीं हो जाए. Coffee is also over. Finally, Sid is installing the LED strips. Super duper excited. क्या बोलता है Sid? All set? In a way, it's good that this is taking time because the main feel धुआं निकल रहा है, कुछ जल रहा है. By the way, हमारा जुगाड़ देखो, वो हमारा कोस्टर है कॉफ़ी का जिस पे सारा हरकत हो रहा है, sacrifice. And the whole plan is that if this happens at least by right now it's 6:10 in my watch, you can see that. अगर ये 7 बजे तक भी हो गया, I will show you guys the evening feel of this and the mood light. मतलब सोचो क्या होने वाला है, मज़ा आने वाला है. I'm like super excited. This is just 2 of the projects we took. अभी बहुत बाकी है. पेंट जॉब पूरा इधर विंडो ड्रॉप का प्लान है, फ्लोरिंग बाकी है. We have to break this entire thing because this has all my jackets, my gears. Yes, अभी भी इसमें बहुत सारे jackets और सब पड़े हुए हैं. As you can see, ये full packed है. This has to be totally broken. All this, and this is the main wall which will have the couch, foldable bed couch system. By the way, MMA has begun. Today was day 2 of me doing some good action. So plan वही है. And as you can see, यहाँ पे जो light आती है ओवर एक्सपोज हो गया होगा, guarantee comes in my house. You can see that. That's how bright this area is, and that's why I'm planning this properly. Full plan was to make a final video when the studio is done. Usually सब लोग ऐसे करते हैं, but I thought stages wise या stage wise stage करते हैं. क्या बोलता है?
हाँ, stage wise थोड़ा people will be able to copy them if need be, ना?
Yeah. So we thought we'll do it stage wise because then you know things will look really good stage wise कि कैसा था और ये कैसा हो गया, and it makes a huge difference. You'll see that tonight. Oh, मैंने screen usually I'm trying to avoid looking in the screen, पर जब मैंने screen में देखा I saw purple. आज का theme purple रखते हैं. Okay, so this is the LED work happening right now. So that's the red. ये हम है, ये हमारी LED lights है, यहाँ power हो रही है. पे LEDs होने के बाद the plan is that my table itself also should be lit up. That's the whole plan, and something big is coming here. I can't share that, na?
नहीं, not just yet.
Not yet. Okay. So this area, sorry guys, I can't share. So guys, Sid मुझे charge करने की सोच रहा है, and I thought the best way to pay him is not by coffee and McDonald's, which I keep doing. I'm gonna entertain him while he does that. Are you ready, Sid? क्या आप तैयार हैं एक रॉक स्टार को सुनने के लिए?
There is a very distinct possibility that you might need help.
90s का songs?
Yeah.
Sounds good. So we are gonna jam here now with the guitar, and obviously copyright आएगा, so I can't do those songs. Disco Tyson, disco, tadak tak tadang, disco. Oh man, today's vlog is lit, right? According to me, this is so not motorcycles, man. These guys are gonna be like, what the F is going on in studio, dude? My performance.
Oh, well, performance was nice. Unfortunately, due to copyright issues,
I can't
Talent दिखा नहीं सकता है मेरा
talent
भाई.
YouTube पे नहीं दिखा सकता
मेरा
ना.
भाई नहीं दिखा पाता
But
है.
the music was good, and भाई साहब इसको देखो ये क्या कर रहा है. अरे thumbnail ऐसा ही कुछ चाहिए. रुक, ऐसा ही चाहिए thumbnail. So you got a remote with this, and you can get this online also, right? But it's not a very famous branded LED, but it comes with some kind of. So this is off and on, and if I want to change color, say let's go for orange on green on this guy, then let's go on orange on this guy. Yeah, that's the orange, and yeah, this is the red. We have blood red, then the real green. So the RGB top ones, the red, green and blue is on the top of the remote, and then we have white if I want to give a little bit of a white feel, and I don't know what these are. Flash. Oh wow, it flashes. Disco Tyson, disco. Okay, so it has a flash thing, faster flash. Then it has a dimmer which like goes off and on also. So it has so this is like a dimmer, it will go off. Then it has something like this. Here you go. which is really good, but I'm not going to use any of this. I'm going to keep it stagnant. So the whole point of this video is that there are some messages which said that please show whatever you do to your studio, and I thought let's do this step by step, how raw we are. हो गया, stagnant कर दिया. कैसे किया? How did you do it? Automatically. Okay, so no clue how you did that. And you can see in the mirror what Sid is up to. And now we're going to stick this, because today's whole point is this rack should illuminate, not the whole room. So let's start, and that's the golden hour actually, guys. I get this beautiful golden hour. I'll show you all. It looks so beautiful from my window. Yeah, so we're gonna hook this up, and this is the golden hour. Right now it's exactly 6:30. The time has come. We made some awesome grape juice against light. Okay, cheers mate. Some awesome fresh grape juice for the work. देखा है? Let's show them.
Yeah.
Wait, पहले लाइट्स बंद करते हैं.
Light बंद कर दिया.
Right? 3, 2. Ta-da! Insane, right? Look at that. Dude, this is crazy.
Fuck.
Crazy backdrop, na?
Yep. This will
Wow, this will do. I mean, guys, don't mind, it's still dirty. I still have to clean and do a proper shoot, but this is how it looks. All the crazy RGB lights. Looks really, really neat.
Yeah, there you go.
Crazy, right? The top shelf is left. Actually, that's what we'll do some lights there, but this is from here till here. Because anyways, in the camera, when I am actually sitting here and doing a focus shot, that is not seen much. So you can see a lot of mood getting created here. And this color which we've put on, just see all the fluoros, how it glows. See all the reds. You see that? You see this red? And see this. This is actually a UV light. We have a UV light mode in this. I can see everything in that note, right?
Yeah,
Sab
see
dekh raha
that,
hai?
yeah.
Yeah, dekh. Everything's possible.
Very distinct possibility. It is UV.
It is UV. Okay, so I'm using the G7X Mark II. And if you see, the lighting is so good. I'll show you guys. Better light. And now, how this jugaad is. Okay, so we've put a Chinese lamp just on my table, and if I still want to give my RGB light effect also, which is here, and I've put a LED in this. So well, this was it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Abhi kafi kaam baki hai. This is one of the work we finished in our studio, and till Sid is here, I can kind of take all his electronic help. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel as usual. See you guys with a new vlog next time. Bye.